everybody! Today I'm going to tell you the mini story for the lesson, The Power of Reading. Okay, are you ready? Smile, deep breath, move body, feeling good. Okay, let's go. There was a monkey. The monkey's name was Fimbert. What was there? There was a monkey. And what was his name? His name was Fimbert. What was Fimbert? Fimbert was monkey, of course. What did Fimbert like to do? Oh, did you know? Well, Fimbert liked to shoot mosquitoes with a gun. Oh, interesting. Fimbert liked to shoot mosquitoes. He liked to shoot mosquitoes with his gun. What did Fimbert like to do? He liked to shoot mosquitoes with his gun. What did Fimbert like to shoot? Mosquitoes. Fimbert liked to shoot mosquitoes. With what? With his gun.